Okay folks, got a new update on projects here in my backyard. See me scanning around right here. Why do I have these trees laying right here? Well, look at here. Here's the back porch going up with steps. Anyway, septic tank overflowed. Oh, there's Tommy. Hey, say hey, Tommy. 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 He found a bowl. Cooked a roast in. Anyway, we got a septic tank here overflowing. So, gonna find out tomorrow what's going on with this. Hopefully it's just the lines that are clogged, but they did come out and pump it out on Friday. So they're gonna come Monday, tomorrow, and check the lines, put the camera through the lines and see what the deal is. So from what I understand, we have a over 1,000-gallon tank here. And they say if the tank is under 750 gallons, by code here, they have to replace the tank. So they're going to check that again, make sure it is over 1,000 gallons. But just another project going on.